Eagle is electronic design automation application with schematic capture, printed circuit board layout, auto router and computer aided manufacturing CAM feature. Eagle contains a schematic editor for designing circuit diagrams. Schematics are stored in files with .sh extension. The PCB layout editor stores the board file with the extension .brd, and Eagle saves Gerber and PostScripts layout file as well as Excelon drill files. These are the standard formats accepted by PCB fabrication companies. Now let's see the installation of Eagle software.
Let's have a look at how to install Eagle software. Double click on Eagle exe file. As soon as you click on it, installation will start. Click on Setup. Click on Next. Click on Yes. Select the location where you have to install the software. Click on Next. Next. Here select Don't License Now. Click on Next and click on Finish to end setup. Now to open the Eagle software, double click on Eagle. As soon as you double click on it, it will ask you for the license. Here click on Eagle Express. Here you can see we have successfully downloaded and installed the Eagle software.
Now you have successfully installed the Eagle software. Now to use all the library functions of the Eagle software, we need to activate the library. So in Eagle, on the left hand side window, the second option is the library option. Expand this option. Here you can see all library files which are not activated. So to use this file, we need to activate this library. So right click on libraries and select use all. After clicking on use all the libraries are activated. Here you can see the green symbol which indicates that the libraries are successfully activated, so that you can use them in your next project in making schematic and PCBs. Thanks for watching.